I could say that Irene has changed my way of seeing flamenco and understanding flamenco, so that I could dance it better. There was a moment while dancing when I said, I'm back, I'm really back. I understood everything after so many years, all the info came back and I could understand everything very well, and I felt again like those days where I could dance well and better. I'm Irene Gutierrez Perez, I'm from Spain. I heard about this workshop because I dance flamenco regularly here in Vienna, and I'm in the flamenco circle, and I was looking forward to meet Irene. I heard, I was inspired because I really heard that she had a very interesting way of teaching, and I must say I'm very impressed. Even if I didn't understand, I didn't know the rhythm from before, I learned it in 1 hour and a half that we had in a couple of days, and I'm very happy. She's very energetic, and motivates everyone and teaches really well, and we all catch it very fast. I think Irene's way of teaching is a little bit different from others because it really makes you understand the rhythm from the very beginning. She really insists on you singing the rhythm of the feet, so that you understand everything, how everything goes together, and you can fit with palmas and rhythm and music. I could say that maybe I did the click in my mind after so many years because I really understood everything from the very beginning. And I could fit the rhythm from the music with the feet and changing the rhythm somehow. I could say that Irene has changed my way of seeing flamenco and understanding flamenco, so that I could dance it better. There was a moment while dancing when I said, I'm back, I'm really back. I understood everything after so many years, all the info came back, and I could understand everything very well, and I felt again like those days where I could dance well and better. But we felt really supported during the process, and she attended every question that we had. She helped me with some moments where I could not coordinate or I did not understand very well the rhythm, and I directly asked her, and she repeated very nicely and slowly so that I could get it. I did it again, and we were all in track. I recommend truly this workshop. Join Irene. Irene in English. She's really fun, she's really energetic, she explains everything super well, and I can only recommend that.